Kamusta mga kasquad? Welcome back to Fact or Lies, Good Governance Edition, where we unfold truths like a detective solving a case. Today, let's talk about the most powerful weapon we have, our vote. Tara, alamin natin ang katotohanan. Grabe, 50 students sa isang classroom, tapos 30 chairs lang. Mabuti na lang talaga at 18 na ako. Magpapa-register talaga ako sa susunod na eleksyon para maiboto ko yung karapat-dapat na leader na priority yung education para sa lahat ng kabataan. Kahit bata ka pa, maghanda na. Register when you turn 18. Your future depends on it. Ang vote mo, hindi lang boto, investment sa future mo. Your vote shapes policies on education, healthcare, and jobs. Don't let others decide for you.
First things first, ano ba talagang eleksyon? According to Cambridge Dictionary, it is when people vote to choose someone for political or official job. O ito yung process kung saan tayo, ang mga mamamayan, pumipili ng ating mga leader, mula barangay hanggang Malacanang, para pagpili lang ng group project leader. Pero mas importante, dahil ang desisyon natin dito ay nagdidikta sa ating buhay sa susunod na ilang taon. Elections are the foundation of democracy. They let citizens choose leaders who represent their needs.
Para makaboto, kailangan muna mag-register. Dito sa Pilipinas, pwede mo gawin online sa comelec.gov.ph o sa barangay hall. According to quezoncity.gov.ph, people who may register are first at least 18 years of age on or before the day of national and local elections. Second, a resident in the Philippines for at least 1 year and in the place where he or she would vote for at least 6 months preceding the national and local elections. Pro tip, bawal mag-last minute. Ang registration may deadline. Parang school project lang. Now, I will flash on the screen the requirements for registration, the process for first-time voters, the requirements and process for change or correction of entry. Ngayon, alam natin ang facts. Paano natin to ipapalaganap? Gumamit ng social media. Gumawa ng reels, mag-post ng reminders, o mag-host ng trivia night sa GC nyo. Pwede rin mag-volunteer sa voter education drive sa barangay. Remember, ang knowledge mas powerful kapag ibinabahagi. Kaya sabihin mo sa lahat, bumoto tayo para sa atin, para sa bayan. Alright, so to recap, ang election ay para sa atin at ang boto mo ay may kwenta at madali lang mag-register. So go out there and make your voice heard. Next time, marami pa tayong meets na bubunutin. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video because good governance start with you. Bye, squad!